Carla Hamm here with Team Red Door Remax Top Realty, and I'm just bringing some information to you today for the Cypress and Jersey Village area. So I'm with Christy with Baked by Drake, and we have used her company several times to do cookies for us, and I am telling you, there are no better cookies in town than you can get here. So she's super talented. She can do anything that you want. You give her the idea and let her run with it, and she produces the most magnificent cookies you've ever seen. Everybody talks about it. So I'm going to ask her a couple of questions just kind of to get to know about her company. So tell me, how did you get started?
I got started when right when I got married. We moved to a new town and I didn't really know anybody yet, and so I just started baking, and I did a little bit of cake baking, and then I started making cookies, and I realized this is way more fun.
Yep.
And started selling to friends, and it kind of expanded and blew up from there.
So how long have you been in the business?
7 years.
Wow, 7 years. Wow.
And 2 years of doing markets.
Okay. So today we're at the Jersey Village Farmers Market. This is a really great one, and you were at one yesterday?
The Memorial Village's Farmers Market is every Saturday, and Jersey Village is once a month, the first Sunday of the month.
Perfect. So if y'all are interested in getting some of these wonderful cookies for a special party or something that you really want to make an impression, where can they reach you?
I'm on Instagram at bakedbydrake. I'm on Facebook at Facebook/bakedbydrake. And then you can also email me, bakedbydrake@gmail.com.
Perfect. So don't forget to like, share, comment, give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn in your notifications. And we'll see you on the next round. Bye. Hey everybody, Carla Hamm.
Stop, do it, what, hold over. Hit.